Stress free. Yeah. Late nights, early mornings. Same desk, different warning. I ain't tired, I'm just done settling. Alarm rings still dark, I'm up before the sun. Suppress my stress, day already begun. Inbox full, deadline stacked like a wall. Talk numbers all day, but ain't owning it all. Room coffee, tastes like the routine. Small talk dreams, but they don't think big things. Clock watch ticking like it's mocking my pace. Every hour traded, I'm just running my days. Get promotions dangled like a carrot on a string. More pay, same gauge, just in slightly bigger ring. That clap when you stay late, call it dedication, but I'm seeing through the script. This a long-term occupation and I'm good, but I ain't free. That's the difference, that's from killing me quietly. They say stability, I hear limit your reach, so I started studying what they don't teach. Clocking, but my mind on SS. Turn a fake check into something that lasts. I don't want money, I want what it does. Free 'em on autopilot, income that runs. Late nights now, but it's building me exit. Every dollar working, now I'm second guess it. I ain't rich yet, but I see the map, and I'm never going back. Nah, I'm never going back. Lunch break, learn about the market and risk. While they scroll through feeds, I'm investing in their index funds, dividends, thinking long game. Compounding quiet, but it's changing my lane. Used to chase checks, now I'm chasing control. Trying to own time, not just playing a role. Every dollar got a job, I assign it a mission. Build a system so I don't need permission. Yeah, I'm saying no to things I can't afford, cause I'm buying back my life, that's a different reward. Delayed gratification, yeah, it's heavy at first, but I'd rather feel pressure than be stuck in reverse. They don't see it yet, think I'm playing it safe, but I'm planting seeds they won't notice for days. Then it clicks when the income don't depend on me. That's the moment that I finally breathe. Clock in, but my mind on assets. Turn a paycheck into something that lasts. I don't want money, I want what it does. Freedom on autopilot, income that runs. Late nights now, rest building the exit. There's a dollar working, I'm saying guess it. I ain't rich yet, but I see the map. Yeah, I'm never going back, nah, I'm never going back. Yeah, this ain't luck, this alignment. Pain turned into assignment. Every go I had to count, now I move with intention. Vision bigger than clinching. I'm not running out, I'm breaking out. I can feel it getting close, not there, but it's real. Less stress on my chest every time that I build. Now the numbers make sense in a whole different way. Money working while I sleep, that's a powerful play. No boss in my ear, no clock on the wall, just decisions I make, and I answer the call. And it started with nights, nobody will see, just me, my thoughts, and the plan to be vain. Yeah, same desk, but a whole new mind. Same hours, but I'm out in time. Cause the exit ain't the door, it's a strategy. And I built it piece by piece, now it's back in me. Still clocking in, but not for long. Every move now is proving them wrong. It's not about flex, it's about control. Freedom!